Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If you just got yourself a new iPhone, you might want to transfer all your WhatsApp data to it from your Android phone. In this video, we'll show you how to do it with the new Move to iOS feature, which is totally free. First, update WhatsApp to the latest version on Android and backup WhatsApp to Google Drive for the safety. Let's start. On your Android phone, go to Play Store and install Move to iOS, official app from Apple. Follow the on-screen instructions. Continue until you see Enter the single-use code on screen. Next, please note your iPhone must be factory new. If you already completed setup and want to use Move to iOS, you must erase your iPhone and start over. For that, open the Settings app, go to General, Transfer or Reset iPhone. If you prefer to keep your data and want to transfer without erasing iPhone, check the video description for other method. On your iPhone, follow the Setup Assistant. Here we make sure to select the same Wi-Fi network. On the Apps and Data screen, tap Move Data from Android. Tap Continue. You'll see a single-use code. Enter the code on your Android phone. Select WhatsApp on the Transfer Data screen. Tap Start on your Android phone and wait for WhatsApp to prepare the data for export. Tap Next. Tap Continue to transfer the data from your Android phone to your iPhone. Wait for Move to iOS to confirm the transfer is complete. And done. Let's continue setting up the iPhone. Okay, now let's install WhatsApp from App Store. Then we are going to log in into our WhatsApp account. Here it says Move Chats from Android. Tap Start to continue. Then allow WhatsApp access to your photos and set up your profile. And that's it. Thank you for watching. For more videos, like, share and subscribe our channel.